Hello guys, welcome back to the video guys. This video somebody requested this, but I show you how do I upload my videos. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. First I do this. I'll show you what song I'm gonna sing guys, okay? Okay, I click this. I'm gonna minimize my page guys, so you watch this lot. I'll show you. I do this. See I do it without actually then go to this. Now I'm gonna do something guys. So what do guys. We'll do a Weird Al song. We'll do a song foil. See that's how I do it? Guys, this. But you don't see lyrics because I have the camera on. There see the fish on my phone. Always get the doggy bag from the water. Keep what you can do to later. We get. I don't care. I got a secret trick. Gonna see if never bother with bag. Like a cigarette, it's just a period. And what I do after that, guys, is I do this. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Then I say stop. And then I go to this. This. I copy the thing. Because you guys are curious, so that's how I do it. Good to upload a video. Do this. Do this. That's when I was on the boat. Okay, click this. Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I am uploading a tutorial how to make videos. This is a tutorial how I upload videos. Step by step. Today's question of the day is, would you like me to do a tutorial on anything else? There, yeah, I put it there, guys, yep. Wait till it loads. Okay, just like this, that's how you do it. It checks to see what's wrong. Check what they want to do, and that's basically it, guys. See you there, post it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.